Finding opportunity in adversity. My teaching journey in COVID times. My greetings to everyone on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day 2020. I'm Kanika Saluja, PRT, Mathematics Science, teaching in DAV Public School, Yamunanagar. I'm thankful to you for appreciating the efforts of teachers who redefined the process of teaching as they were exposed to complete technology-driven e-learning platform due to this pandemic. So here the journey of my experience during this lockdown begins. When the lockdown was announced, it created a panic that how will we have the connection with the student? But then first interaction was possible due to DAV app and WhatsApp class group, which eventually became platform for uploading study material like PPTs, study videos, ebook exercises, PDF of summary and textual questions, performing virtual activities and celebrations. But physical interaction was not there. I was feeling as if something was missing. And we all know that necessity is mother of all inventions. So this led me to think something new to enhance my teaching. First thing that I did was making presentation and inserting explanatory audios in it. This one first I would like to play for you for class 4, My Body.
Here is a diagram of digestive system in front of you. It consists of various organs. First, mouth. Second, food pipe. Third, stomach. Fourth, small intestine. Then, large intestine. Rectum, anus.
Like this, explanatory audios were inserted in all the slides of the presentation. Same idea I applied in making mathematics quiz for class 4 students on number system. Also, a slide in the presentation was added for the answer key of these questions so that they can see the score in the quiz. Then I created my YouTube channel on which I uploaded my videos that were made using ebooks, whiteboard and presentations as teaching aids so that students they can assess the content after the class was over. Here I would like to share one video with you.
Good morning, DAVians. Hope you all are safe at home. So today we are going to start carbohydrates and fats. हमने पढ़े थे.
Then coming up next, certain videos more were uploaded as mathematics and science are practical subjects. So I recorded certain videos showing demonstration using the real object. Those activities were also uploaded. Like one I did in class 3. For the concept of addition using regrouping that I would like to share with you.
A very good morning, everyone. So today we have completed with the chap numbers in class. Once place the next number like also.
Then next I would like to share Zoom online classes. They actually created virtual classroom. It offers certain features which solved a lot of problems like by sharing screen. Whiteboard could be made visible. Mathematics questions were taken up. Also labeling of various parts of the diagram in a clear manner, in science could be done. Then practice worksheets, e-assignments and their answer key. They were provided to the students. E-assignments along with videos linked in it. The e-assignments were made where videos were linked in the assignments, which students they can view and see, like place values and expanded form here. And then with the help of that video, they can solve this assignment. And also the answer key was given to the students so that they can verify their answers. Then next, subject enrichment activities related to mathematics and science, they were done. Students were guided how to perform those activities and they recorded their videos, and a few of them they've sent me those videos also.
Hello,
almost all of them they've sent this.
Of class 5th in DAV Public School. Today I want to show you the seed germination. I have soil mixed with compost.
Then also I integrated both the subjects while teaching the concepts of mathematics and science both. Like I was teaching communicable diseases in which I told them to give an example of COVID-19, and then they prepared a COVID-19 protection kit. Then I integrated mathematics in it by telling them to maintain a table in this form in which they'll record the date and the time when they washed their hands, they've taken the precautions, how many times did they wash their hands. Then I would like to also play one video in front of you, which I uploaded for them to view the precautions that need to be taken at the time of this pandemic.
Good morning, children. This is Kanika Saluja.
Then I like to share that the e-books, they were very helpful. They give in the printed form, we used to give the exercise work and highlighting the keywords in this manner. The students, they know the important points within the chapter. Then comes evaluation, which was a very big challenge, as I feel evaluation is very important, as without knowing the understanding of the students, remedial teaching cannot be given. So, to solve this problem, revision tests were given through Google Forms. Like this, I would like to show you through Google Form. One of my revision test in class 5, I would like to share with you. This is a revision test that I've made in Google Forms. This is the revision test that were given to them through WhatsApp group. Its answer key was also provided to them using Zoom. Zoom, we were acting as invigilators in front of them. Then they were also appreciated. The students who submitted the test timely, they were appreciated in the WhatsApp groups and class groups. Then there was one more concern for me, that once we all will be back in the classrooms, what would everyone feel and talk about? So I used to give 10 minutes after the online academic class for social interaction to the students, where I used to talk about the problems that we are facing and how can we come out of these problems. Many solutions we used to share with each other. Then it helped in maintaining moral and social values, and at the same time in developing the communication skills among them. At the end, I would like to say this pandemic has taught me a great lesson, that we should not always do what we want to do. We should always adapt to the change and always do what is most needed. This not only helps us in making everything easier, but also leads us from being a warrior to a winner. Thank you very much.